everyone, welcome to How to Browse Your YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to animate text in Davinci Resolve 18. So let's begin the video. So what you have to do is to go to the edit panel and then here click on effects and then click on titles. Select which title you like to use. I'll go to it with text plus, drag it over the timeline, and now what you have to do is after you write here what you want, then what you have to do is this, go to settings, and here now let's add some let's animate this text, right? So if we want the animation to start from this point, from point 0, so that's what I want, and I would like this title maybe to move from here, and then here, from here. So let's start from here. So what I have to do is just to enable, to click on these two dots or whatever they are, just click on them, please. And now just drag this title right in the middle. And now actually, and goes to the other side. Okay. And now wait a couple of seconds, and then this title will go to the other side. But okay, and it will start from here, and now it goes to the other side. And now it looks like this. But maybe yeah, that's fine. You can even add this here, move it, and then it's lower, like stays in the middle even more, as you can see, and then it just goes away, goes on the other side, on the right side. And that's just a simple, very basic way to animate text. So what you have to remember after you grab the text, you just have to go to settings and you have to play with zoom and position. And from here, even if the title, let's say, is here, you can zoom it in and you'll see this graphic. It goes up, and now it goes up, and then we can do it like goes down maybe, and you'll see the graphic like this line going down. And yeah, you'll see the line going down now because the title is going down as well. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, so it's very simple. Like, if you have any questions, please let me know. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and like this video. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.